Hey there, teacher friends. This is going to be a quick and easy video for DIY dry erase boards. And so I'm going to start off by telling you the supplies that you're going to need. A sheet protector for each student, and typically you can just buy a box from Office Depot, Target, Walmart, wherever you choose, and that'll be fine for your entire class. A sheet of white copy paper. A sheet of colored cardstock, and a piece of felt, and this will serve as your eraser. Now the felt you can buy from Hobby Lobby. It usually comes in a sheet, and I typically get about 6 erasers per sheet of felt for 25 cents. So that's fairly inexpensive. And so I'm going to put my eraser here. To make the board, you want to stick your sheet of paper and your cardstock back to back, and then place it inside of your sheet protector. Oops. Just that easy, you've created your board. Now if you want to test it out, you can write and it erases. And there you go. Now, one reason why I would say, other than the fact that it's less expensive than store-bought dry erase board, is the fact that you can insert your own templates into the sheet protector and then write on top of them. And so this would be good for place value charts in math class, editing sentences in ELA class, filling out graphic organizers, whatever you can think of for making your templates. I just had this around, so I'm going to use that. Stick it inside, and then you can write on it over and over again without having to make new copies. Voila, DIY inexpensive dry erase boards. Happy teaching, people. See you in the next video.